Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to edit the account names in Google Authenticator. Now let's begin. I'm simply gonna open up the Authenticator app on my mobile device. I already have it installed. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this will open up. Now these are the many accounts linked to my Google Authenticator, and as you can see, all of them have emails attached to it. It would be better if I could rename these accounts so that I can remember it quite easily. Let's try to do that. Simply click and hold on any account that you want to rename, and something like this will open up. Well, let's look at it from the rightmost section. There are these three lines. You can click on it and drag your account up and down. It's completely up to you, sorting it as per your priority. And right next to it, there's a pencil-like icon. I'm gonna click on it, then this will open up. At the very top, there's the account name. I'm simply gonna click on the text box that is just below account name, and this will open up. I'm gonna delete everything, and once everything's okay, I'm gonna enter a new name. It's satisfactory to me. Now I can remember it easily as well. So let's simply click on save. And guys, there you go. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the tick button at the top right. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit account names on Google Authenticator. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.